So we got this situation. We have to integrate this function. So look at this. Don't you think that this question is ugly? But look at the approach how we will handle this situation. So if you will look into this question, you may feel that this logarithmic term is more irritating than anything else. Okay. So what you have to do, your first idea is about the chapter is you have to find out the term which is irritating you. Okay. And if you will get the thing which is irritating, you have to treat that function as z and things are done. You will get the result for sure. So what I feel that I'm having problem with this logarithmic term. So I am taking z as log x by 1 plus x. So what I wish to do is I want to differentiate this function. So you know that you will apply chain rule, means on the left hand side we will be writing dz by dx. Now differentiation of log x plus by 1 plus x with respect to what? Okay, like wait. So you have to differentiate log x by x plus 1 with respect to x by x plus 1. Now you have to differentiate x by x plus 1 with respect to x. Now you know that the differentiation of log x with respect to x, okay, is 1 by x. So can I write 1 by x by x plus 1? Okay, later I will reverse that thing. So it will become x by x plus 1 by x. Okay, so this integration is okay for you. Now I will differentiate this function. So this is u by v thing. Okay, so do you remember how we used to differentiate u by v function? So you know that you will keep denominator as it is, so 1 plus x. Now you will differentiate the numerator dx, minus you will keep numerator as it is, you will differentiate the denominator x plus 1, okay, upon denominator square x plus 1 whole square. Now look at this. You know that the differentiation of x is 1. So we have x plus 1. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So we have minus x upon x plus 1 whole square. This thing got neutralized. You have x plus 1 will be neutralized by this component, and we will be left with x into x plus 1. Look at that thing. Okay, so we have dz by dx as this thing. So can I write that dz is equal to dx by x times x plus 1? Now let's convert our question into z. So you know that you have taken log x by x plus 1 as z. So it is z square. Now this thing will become what? Dz. Now can you do integration of z square with respect to z? So it is z cube by 3 with integration constant c. Now who was your z? Your z was log x by 1 plus x power 3, okay, by 3 plus c. Okay, so this is your answer. I hope the idea is clear. Now you can handle this similar situation. Okay.